Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Brustro Gouache review. Yes, I was waiting for this from so long, and finally today in the morning I got my parcel from Amazon because I was checking Amazon every day for gouache paint, and finally Brustro was in a reasonable price. It's 850 rupees. I mean, better than 5,000. So I have decided to order, and I got this package today in the morning, and I have just opened it. I mean, not fully but halfway. I think I'm going to open it now, and I wanted to try this, so let's start the video.
So before starting any painting, I have decided to try some color shade as a swatch to see how I feel about this. And I think it's very creamy and opaque. Well, you can use this as a watercolor too. You just have to add more water, and the most amazing thing is you can reactive this paint on your palette with the water, and that's amazing for me because whenever I work with acrylic, it gets dry very quickly, but gouache is a bit different. If it's dry also, you can reactive. I would like to use it more often. I really loved it. If you would like to try any gouache paint, then try Brustro. It's very reasonable and good quality. I hope you enjoyed this painting, and if you like, then please do subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, and please connect with me on Instagram for more fun, and I'll see you in my next video. So bye bye.